This is FIMI Mini 3, and today I'll show how you can adjust the photo size or photo mode aspect ratio and resolution on this drone. So in the beginning, make sure that you are in the photo shooting mode here. So select the photograph mode. Now launch settings. Select the camera category and look for the photo size. Tap here and select what size you would like for your photos to be, 8M, 12 or 48 megapixel. And well, with the change of size also comes the change in aspect ratio, which you can switch between 16:9 and 4:3. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.